that in fact I don't think I've been out on a red carpet or been in front of the media all dressed up for an event in a really long time. So this is really nice, and I've been here before as a judge. So yeah, I mean, I'm looking forward to it, and it's nice, to see the girls go through the whole emotional up and down and the whole thing through one evening, and it's nice. It's going to be fun.
Okay, what do you like to say about such platform like Miss India?
I've always said that, and I was in fact walking and I was talking to one of the Times group people that as when we were in college and we used to sit and watch Miss India, I was like, my God, I want to be in this someday. And I think this is probably the fourth year that I have been a judge here. So yes, I think it is iconic. Miss India has always been iconic, and it still remains a really important property when it comes to talent and beauty. And so it's a great platform, and it's only gone bigger and bigger every single year. So yes, I mean, this is pretty much it, Miss India.
Okay, आप जज करने वाली हैं तो क्या कुछ देखने वाली हैं आप सब मॉडल्स, क्या कुछ आप
आई थिंक मैं यही कहती हूँ कि जो सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ होती है, लड़की हो या लड़का, anybody, anyone, any age, is the confidence that they have. That is what makes you really attractive, more than how you're looking, and of course all that is good, but that inner confidence and that belief that you have in yourself, I think that is beautiful. So that is the one thing that I will be looking out for. Not overconfidence, because that is a put off, but just the right amount, when you're sure of yourself. So that'll be nice.
Okay, lastly, what do you want to say to all the fans and viewers, and what all project in the pipeline?
There's this one film that we finished shooting last year, so pre and post COVID we finished it. It is called Bob Biswas with Abhishek Bachchan, and that is ready for release this year. Hopefully we should be able to be in a theatre, maybe. Let's see. And there's something else that I will start shooting, a woman-centric film, and yeah, that's what I have.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's actually really interesting to, and weird to meet people so much in close contact. But I'm happy that all the protocols are being followed and we all are safe and nice.
Okay, after the lockdown, back on stage for Miss India. So how excited are you?
I'm very excited because obviously हम तो तड़प रहे थे यार बाहर निकलने के लिए, and the importance of meeting other humans. You understood during the lockdown. So I'm very excited to, really looking forward to the different kind of talents to be seen tonight. And so yeah, it's always been interesting to be a part of this. And I think this is my third time that I'm a part of this. So I'm really, really excited. Criteria तो really there's no criteria. मतलब वो तो एक फॉर्म होता है, उसमें टेक्निकल चीज़ें लिखी होती हैं कि ये अच्छा है, then you give the points accordingly. But I go with the overall personality and the overall X factor, whatever they call it. Whoever just has the awe kind of aura is who I fall for. Such platforms are very, very important. They give a lot of confidence to to people who come from different corners of the country, and it's a matter of pride to be a part of such a concept and such a platform where we can choose people who are really good and interesting to represent our country at international forums as well.
Okay, lastly, what all project in the pipeline, and what would you like to say all the fans?
So yeah, currently I'm shooting Suswagatam Khushamdi. Hathi Mere Sathi is due for release this Holi, finally in the theatres. So I'm very excited for that. Releasing in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. So please people in all the three languages, and also Punjabi people, please go and watch Hathi Mere Sathi in theatres. Follow all the safety guidelines, and it's very exciting. And then there is Fukre, which is going on floor very, very soon. So I'm very, very thrilled about it. Isabel is really hardworking. We've just started shooting together right now, and she's very मोटिवेटिंग इन द सेंस कि वो इतना हार्ड वर्क करती है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है यार इतनी मेहनत कर रही है, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ पिक्चर में. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू पेयर विद हर and be a part of the film where I get a chance to work with really fresh talent, and she's very talented, so I'm really looking forward to Suswagatam Khushamdi as well.
Thank you so much, Prabhu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Listen, it's absolutely fantastic. I think the last event we did before lockdown happened was also something to do with the Times of India. If I'm not wrong, I think it was Filmfare or one of those mega events, and then lockdown happened. I'm actually quite taken aback because we've done an event after a year, and we're talking to all of you in person. Good to see everybody healthy and smiling and happy. I don't know if they're smiling behind the mask, but it's great, and it's such a great event to come back to. Miss India also has its own legacy, and as a mentor, I've been representing this position for 5 years now, and it's great to see that our girls are doing so well, and I'm excited to see who wins tonight. I mean, there's very little that you can take away in the goodness of the platform, because we've been around for for what, 60 years, over 60 years now? 57 years. So we've been here for 57 years, and no matter what, no matter how busy or how much time you have at hand, you're always waiting to hear who the next Miss Indias are, and that's exactly what the nation is going to be doing in a few hours from now. I say this every year, and I feel like I have a right to say this now more than ever, because I have been a pageant mentor for exactly half a decade. Wow. I just want them to be themselves. The reason why they take away from being themselves is this preconceived notion they have about a pageant. But when we have our one-on-one interviews, that goes for a very high scoring as to what happens today. So आज जो आप देख रहे हैं, इसके पहले हम सब लड़कियों को already मिल चुके हैं. We've had one-on-one interviews with them. हम continuously उनको यही advice देते हैं, because if you're talking about walking well, they have trainers. If you're talking about dressing well, they have the best designers dressing them. If you're talking about looking a certain way, they all have it on a platter. What makes them different is their individual personality. Don't gun for something that somebody else is saying, and maybe because of that answer koi jeeta hai. Because what we're looking for is who can actually which female can actually be the future of our nation. And sometimes it's not as high pressure as they make it out to be. We just need them. I just want them to relax and shine on that day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
काफ़ी टाइम बाद एक प्रॉपर इवेंट हो रहा है, जहाँ पे एक लाइव इवेंट जो एक बड़े स्केल पे हो रहा है, जहाँ पे सारी मीडिया पहुँची हुई है, जहाँ पे एक लार्जर देन लाइफ जो हमारा तामझाम होता था हमारे शहर का, वो नज़र आ रहा है. हाँ, जो वो टाइम था डेफिनेट डिफ़िकल्ट था. I really feel blessed to be back. I think that's the word for all of us. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि साइकिल वापस आए पूरी की पूरी, एंड टचवुड सभी प्रोफाइल्स में, सभी क्षेत्रों में वापस आ चुकी है साइकिल, एंड होपफुली जिन में नहीं आई है वहाँ भी जल्दी आ जाएगी. आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म यार. बचपन से ही सुनते आ रहे हैं मिस इंडिया के बारे में. आई थिंक जब छोटे भी थे, स्कूल कॉलेज में जब छोटे आसपास सुनते होते थे प्रियंका चोपड़ा के बारे में या ऐश्वर्या सुष्मिता के बारे में, आई थिंक इट वाज ऑलवेज एक चार्म रहता था हमेशा. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ समथिंग जो हमारे देश की गर्ल्स विल ऑलवेज लुक फॉरवर्ड टू, बिकॉज आई थिंक एक आपको वैलिडिटी मिल जाती है दैट यू आर प्रिटी. एक ठप्पा मिल जाता है आपको कि आप सुंदर हैं. एक सेकंड यार, जरा दरवाज़ा बंद कर दो पीछे से, और ये पीछे कोई तो बोल रहा है, ज़रा 2 मिनट रुक जाइए प्लीज़. चलिए, हाँ दोबारा बताइए मैम. सो आई एम होस्टिंग दिस शो, एंड साथ में वानी परफॉर्म कर रही है, वानी कपूर, एंड टोटली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू शेयर द स्टेज विद नेहा धूपिया. शी इज़ द मेंटोर फॉर ऑल दीज 15 कंटेस्टेंट्स, एंड साथ में वो कुछ 1-2 बार कुछ नटखटपना मचाने के लिए शी इज़ गोना कम ऑन द स्टेज विद मी. सो रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ऑल द फन. सबसे पहले तो यही कहना चाहूँगा दैट टचवुड सबके लिए वो साइकिल वापस आ रही है, एंड जस्ट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट साइकिल to make life normal again. धीरे धीरे चीज़ें definitely बेहतर होंगी. Can't wait for that phase. And talking about my work, helmet complete हो चुकी है, उसका post complete हो चुका है. Very soon we'll be announcing the release date. जो प्यार आपने मुझे लाइफ में पहले दिया, looking forward कि वही प्यार आपसे मिलता रहेगा.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much guys. Take care. See you around.